Hey y'all, welcome back to Mama Ford. I just left Dollar Tree and I went crazy. The only thing I could say in this store the whole time was, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The lady was cracking up. The twins was like, what's wrong, what's wrong? I never had prices like this. Not even with the after Christmas sale have I ever seen prices like this. So the thing is, I plan on adopting a lot a few houses down from me and starting a community garden this spring, and I found some stuff on sale and I'm gonna try to find even more stuff on sale and I'm gonna put all the stuff up. So King was barking because he couldn't reach his water. I had to pull him back some earlier today because I was out here using a saw. I did get my pantry done. I was gonna give y'all that video today, but I want to give y'all this video in case y'all got Dollar General near y'all. Friday, Saturday, Sunday only. Take an extra 50% of the already marked down clearance price items. So I'm gonna give y'all this video right now and I will show y'all the pantry I put together in a couple of days. Give y'all time to catch up on my videos and give me some time to catch up on y'all videos and the comments. Okay, first off, this was, I paid $1.50 and it has 72 little cells in it. I will start my planting and stuff in the spring before it get warm. I'm starting it out in the house. I'm gonna attempt to grow some stuff from seed to produce. I'm also, what doesn't successfully grow as seeds, I will buy starter plants in the store. But I grabbed all 4 of these that they had left. These big old jugs were only 68 cents. They are 2 gallons and that is 7 liters. I grabbed all the ones they had, which was I think 4. Like I said, I plan on doing a community garden. So I'm gonna need extra stuff for the kids to help out. How much did I spend today? I spent $30 today. The smaller jugs were only 38 cents. I grabbed 5 of these. I have 1 green, 2 greens, 3 blues. $2 for this 14 quart bag container mix, and I grabbed 2 of them. It already have, it say with moisture miner and fertilization, feeds up to 4 months for all types of container, pots, and plants. Releases moisture as soil dry, which is cool because my water hose don't work in my house, so I won't be able to run the long hose down there to water. We literally gonna have to carry these cans down there to water the stuff. This bag was $1.50 and it is more plant food, magnesium sulfate. I have no idea what some of this stuff is, but I have been watching a lot of YouTube videos, especially with people from Michigan that have successful gardeners. One of the people I'm watching is I Am Gardener. He's in Michigan with a nice garden, and of course I watch Miss Linda from New Orleans Garden. She don't live in the same climate as me. It's why I have to watch other people that live in my climate too, along with Miss Linda, because I just love you. I also got these little pump sprayers. They 1 liter. It was saying that it was $4.50, but I actually paid 37 cents is what these cost me. And I like it. It's a pressure thing, so you pump and spray. I have 2 of them. And I also got these little potting cans. Welcome Tony Garden. Know Me Best Dirt. Love is the garden of your something. I didn't read. Soul. And I said Tony. Oh my god. Welcome to my garden. These little things were 30 cents. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. Some pest guard. They were, y'all know I've been having all those spiders. I need to spray, but I haven't sprayed yet. But I also like using these little things right here And I need to pull up the ones I have and replace them. It's probably why my spiders are so bad. These were 90 cents. 90 cents. I grabbed 2 packs. That was all they had. I got these cute little cups. Were 45 cents. I have 2 of these kind. The stainless steel. They was $3. But like I said, I just paid 45 cents for them. And then I got this cute little bottle. Alright, I didn't realize my camera cut off. But what I didn't get a chance to show y'all was these colanders. They were 60 cents, or no, they was 30 cents each. So cool. So when the kids harvest their vegetables, they can put them in here, rinse them out, or just whatever. So cool. I also got wooden spoons that were 15 cents for these wooden spoons. That's what you got. This was all they had left for the wooden spoons. Then I also grabbed some index cards. These were 2 for $1. I grabbed one. I don't know if I paid 59 cents or 50 cents, but it's for the twins and practicing their sight words. I did. Huh? I did. What's that? And then I also have some leave-in conditioner. This bottle was $5 or $6. It was regular price for curly hair. Now, if you're still here, you get a special treat because you get to see MarMar getting ready to head to prom. I mean, not prom, homecoming.